Tired of leaving your precious crypto vulnerable to online threats? Let's turn your security up to 11 by setting up a Safepal S1 hardware wallet. First, grab your brand new Safepal S1. It should arrive completely sealed. This is your first sign of security, so make sure the seal is intact. Carefully unbox your device. Inside, you'll find the Safepal S1, a USB cable, some mnemonic phrase cards, and a quick start guide. Next, download the SafePal app from your app store. Once installed, open the app and select Hardware Wallet, and then choose the S1 model power on your SafePal S1. By pressing the power button on the side, the device will display a QR code for pairing. In the SafePal app, tap Pair and scan the QR code displayed on your SafePal S1 screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to establish a secure connection between your phone and your hardware wallet. Now, on the SafePal S1, select Create Wallet. You'll be prompted to set a PIN code. Choose a strong, memorable PIN and enter it twice to confirm. This PIN will be required to access your wallet and authorize transactions. The SafePal S1 will now display your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. One word at a time. This is the most crucial step. Carefully write down each word in the exact order it appears on the provided mnemonic phrase card. Store this card in a secure, fireproof, and waterproof location. Never, ever share it with anyone. The device will then ask you to verify your recovery phrase by entering specific words. This ensures you have accurately recorded it. Complete the verification process. And congratulations, your SafePal S1 is now ready to securely store your crypto. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use your SafePal S1 for transactions and more.